Established in 1997, Shanghai, China, JWELL has been ranked as the top one in the Chinese extrusion industry for 11 consecutive years. As the global supplier of complete solutions for extrusion technology, JWELL has a long history in rich technology accumulation, with more than 1,016 patents and 8 production bases. Attending for endurance, striving for innovation, JWELL people actively confront industry challenges, new materials, and new processes. We constantly accelerate the research and development of new technologies, focus on the new energy utilization, automotive lightweight composite materials, and medical disposables, and medical packages. We commit to the cutting-edge technology of plastic processing and recycling, continuously innovate and develop extrusion equipment in the polymer subdivision field. JWELL has modern assembly workshops, 9 large components processing workshops, and precision CNC machines. Unique processing technology. We strive to ensure the stability of each component. Pay attention to parts inspection and quality control, and ensure the precision and reliability of all parts. Quality excellence. Perfect as one. Exceptional customer satisfaction. We understand and respect customers' vision and strategy. With our professionalism and dedication, we continuously improve the quality of our products, provide customers with overall solutions, and constantly create value for customers. JWELL annually produces over 3,000 sets of high-grade production lines in various plastic subdivisions, exports to over 120 countries all around the world, and sets up a complete global after-sales service network.
作为中国挤出机连续11年名列第1的企业，让中国受机在全球感受到了我们中国制造业的辉煌或骄傲。
Attending for endurance and honesty, striving for innovation, and focusing on customer experience is JWELL's permanent enterprise spirit. We have established a comprehensive professional training system.
在经纬公司，每一个员工处理每一件事情，对待每一个客户，他们都牢记了用心持久、诚实待人的这么一个核心的理念。
Dedication will pay off. All JWELL people are working together to serve customers all around the world. We forge ahead for Century JWELL with innovation and automation in the global equipment ecological chain.